day I saw her face, it was a face I loved, and I knew I had to run away and get down on my knees and pray that they'd go away, but still they began. Needles and pens, because of all my pride, the tears I gotta hide. Hey, I thought I was smart, I wanted hard, didn't think I'd do, but now I see she's worse to him than me. Let her go ahead, take his love instead, and one day she will see just how to say please and get down on her knees. Hey, that's how it begins. She feel those needles and pins hurting her. Why can't I stop?